barn would suit a family looking for multi-generational living. You could divide the property in half quite easily, giving equal access to the garden, and there's plenty of parking here. But it would also suit people who are very interested in hobbies. You know, there's lots of rooms to do stuff. You could do yoga, all sorts of things in the rooms. So it's a lifestyle here, and you'll see from the video it's got a beautiful garden, very secluded with all the growth and everything here. Lovely seating area where I am now. I would suggest you have a look at this video, have a look through, and then book your viewing. Take care.